our lab, every crown we make has its own unique story rooted in strategy. This narrative reflects our careful planning to ensure that each restoration looks great, is hygienic, and functions well, especially the implant cases. We follow a straightforward plan to determine the best situation for each indication. One key of our success, the Dental Smart System solution. This innovative tool helps me find the optimal options for each case, whether I'm utilizing the digital or conventional techniques. Together, we create a confident smile.